Hi, Happy Hoarder here, and today I'm participating in the Real Prince Club's Thrift Wars of the Dolls, and this week's challenge is freebies. And thank you to my sweet friend Deb Fairclough for sending me some wonderful things. I actually opened all these things in a live stream, and I've included the link in the description below. Oh my gosh, cool. Very mid-century style. I love this piece. And she picked it up for 75 cents and just for me, just had to send it to me. But how amazing. I love amber glass. If you know me, I do love some amber glass. So yeah, that is some coolness right there. Oh my goodness. So that is a fun find. I am so excited to get this. Who does not see a porcelain doll and not think of me? I'm just saying. But this one is hilarious because I actually think I still have a couple of these. I have not made into a gothic beauty yet. But I love this particular dolls, and I think I hung on to the other two that I had because how steampunk can this girl be? I mean, seriously. I do want to not do this hat because I want them to have the, and this is probably why I haven't made them yet because I'm too lazy to make the hats. But I want to make the top hat and then decorate the top hat in the steampunk style. But check out her dress. This is so sweet. This is super sweet. But I love her. Oh my gosh, I know I have a glare. Look at that chick. I love the outfit. And they're pointing to, oh, I love this. And this is so cool. So these remind me of pages out of the books like I think they are. These are like our school books, right? Like See Tom Run and all that kind of stuff that we had to read. That's what this reminds me of. Is that what this is? Oh my gosh, I love this bag. This is the cutest stuff ever. Oh yes, this is perfect for my next project. Girl, how are you doing this? How are you reading my mind? So this looks really cool. So this is a necklace. Let's check it out. It's got a note, so I gotta keep the note with it. Had it for 20 years and I never wear it again. I hope you will see it. Okay, so the necklace in the bottom of this box were found in with the owl. Oh, is an owl coming? See, owls, they just find their way to my house. I don't know. So it says, I found with owl. I have no recollection of seeing them before. And this necklace I've had for 20 years. I know will never wear it again. Whatever. Yeah. I hope it will suit one of your dolls. Okay, it looks kind of cool. It's like a vintage antique stuff. Oh, wow. Girl, that is some gorgeousness. That is like, now it looks like an opal, but they call it something else because it's not really opal. It's a moonstone. This looks like a moonstone. That is actually a pretty gorgeous necklace. And yes, that is perfect. Deb, did you see what I pulled out? I want to see if Deb can figure out what I'm going nuts over right now. She says, I don't even know what I packed in the box. What do you think you put in this box? It's got me going like, are you kidding me? This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. But here's the note, and it'll give it away. This little something, which I'm going to open. It's probably 60 years old. My aunt. Oh my God. Are you kidding me, Deb? Are you kidding me? You're giving me something your aunt made. I haven't even taken it out of the bag and already love it. I was a small child and she's making these for Junior League Christmas Bazaar. Deb, you have so touched my heart today. This is hilarious. Nobody's got one of these unless you went to the bazaar when Deb was. How old were you, Deb? I'm sorry. This is just. I'm glad I'm not on that close up. You're a small child. Okay, my gosh. I don't think you can get any cuter than this thing. I've never in my life. Thank you so much for sharing this with me. Oh my gosh, y'all, it's got these eyes and it's fantastic. It is made out of kookaburras that come on my dog. My dog walks in looking like this every time she comes in during kookaburra season. I don't know. I don't words. I know. You know how you have stuff you go, I'm going to leave this to somebody. No, give them to someone now that will enjoy them because like me, the hoarder, I'm like, you want this? Take it. But I want, this will definitely be enjoyed. And I am going to put this somewhere where it gets noticed. Okay, so I was kind of catching glimpses of this in the box because it was really glimpsy. This is kind of a cool thing. And it's kind of like already started to be a thing. Yeah, and so it's got people's notes in it. Oh, these are your writing. Is this your writing? This looks like your writing. And it's kind of been cut up. So you're halfway there, junk journal. Halfway there. Is this your writing? Jennifer, yeah, it kind of looks like you, Liz. Oh, the addresses and phone numbers. But cool. It was, oh, yeah, it's getting there. I have a book that has a bunch of this art in it, and I cannot get, I can't cut it up. So this is already, thank you for helping me get started. Because once it started, you're like, oh, yeah, I can cut it now. It's already got a cut in it. But how amazing is this vintage dress? Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh, what is this? This looks very vintage doll like stuff. It's like a baby thing. It's like a big baby thing. This is like a kid's hat. But you know what? Oh my gosh, are they in here? Hang on a second. This looks really close to a baby gown I have, but I think it's a finer material. A little bit big, but it has a bigger doll head. So, that's so cute. Oh my goodness, I got to put these on. Gloves are sized, these, except for the thumb, because I do have kind of a short thumb, because I don't have any fingernails. But see, if you allow for fingernails, then they would fit. What are the chances the gloves would fit me? Just says Home Decorating Institute that gives you all these cute little ideas to do and know how to starch your stuff and what to use. Fabric stiffener is kind of a cheat, but yeah, okay. Oh yeah, all these wonderful designs to do. So cute. I have a few of these books. But I think I have, like, whoever put those out that time, was it Better Homes and Gardens for some reason comes to mind, or Good Housekeeping or somebody. Oh, I love hey, anybody doing a lemon tree? That's kind of cool with the moss and dry flowers. Now I know y'all are into those lemons. I think I sold them actually on eBay. I had the fruit trees, but I just wasn't using them. The ones you have it's a Santa. Got her Santa. And they're making it a styrofoam and stuff. I need to read up on it. Yeah, so I had to pay the fee. Oh, and the little cardboard houses. And I immediately knew this was a good bear. I just knew its quality was really good quality and all that. Does anyone know where this bear came from? This is like vintage American Girl. This is a Pleasant Company. I don't know which doll it came from though. It's just so well made and it's so cute. Oh my gosh, this is the dress you were talking about, isn't it? And I'm pretty sure I have a naked doll this size. And you're right, that is precious. That is so sweet. So these are those little not the doll that this is a little bit big. This go on those little, like, I don't know, I always call them souvenir dolls or sleepy eye dolls. The little, like, are they like 8 inches tall, 7 or 8 inches tall? But I have some other ones with crocheted outfits. Precious, precious. Oh, I do love me a good wooden candle holder. And this design by Lennox Candles. And that thing is big. And it is, that thing is so big that I'm wondering, like, do I have a cloche that will fit on this? I think I have a little cloche somewhere. That would be so cool with like a little cloche. How cool is that? My gosh, I love this. And so it's funny because I was talking about ties one day and she goes, I have a tie in a box for you. And this tie is fantastic. Okay, yeah, I need to do a doll chair. Okay. Listen, everybody's doing the miniature furniture and they're doing, you can find the patterns to doing upholstered furniture. So you can make like a club chair that is upholstered and they're amazing. And they're not that hard. You'd be surprised how easy it is to build one of these things. How absolutely gorgeous is this going to be on a chair? Oh my gosh, Deb, love it all. Love it all. But you got me. You got me on this one. You know me so well. Oh my gosh. I'd love this. So as you can see, Deb sent me a lot of wonderful things. It means so much to me. So please check out the live stream with all the great stuff that she sent me. And be sure you check out all the other videos in the Thrift Wars of the Dolls Challenge. Thanks for watching. Bye.